Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix games not showing up on Messenger. With the latest Messenger update, a new feature allows you to play games within the app. If you can't find this option, here are a few things you can do to fix it. First, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for any available updates for Messenger. Make sure you select the Messenger app and update it if an update is available. Then, check again to see if the game's feature appears. On an iPhone, open Settings, scroll down to General and tap on iPhone Storage. Find Messenger in the list, tap it, and select Offload App. This will save all your documents and data, but remove the app itself. Then, reinstall Messenger by tapping Reinstall App, which should resolve the issue. On an Android phone, simply uninstall Messenger and download it again from the Play Store. Another reason the game's feature might not be showing up is that it may not yet be available in your country. If you found this video helpful, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content like this.